Hi, my name is Nicola Zajac, and I was responsible for creating the UAEP automation. The purpose of this automation is to streamline the process of giving UAEP professors access to a list of active resources and standards to prepare themselves for their upcoming class. The current problem is that the associate dean must manually go through the process of determining which professors an email should be sent out to and picking the active resources such as the course implementation plan to send off to these professors. Now, sometimes new professors are added in or certain courses are dropped off, and this can slow down the time it takes for the associate dean to send out these emails. Also, the current process is very unstructured. What I mean is that sometimes emails are not sent at the same time frame each semester. Some semesters the emails are sent 2 weeks before class starts, or sometimes they're sent a month before it starts. Professors can sometimes forget about the emails if only one is sent before class starts. This can cause issues because the professor needs to complete tasks before the start of their course, such as open class on Canvas, or make sure they test the Zoom link to make sure that there's no malfunctions. And the current process also lacks structure when sending emails throughout the course or towards the end of the course, so professors will often forget the task that they need to be completing. My name is Nicole Zajac, and I was responsible for creating the UAEP automation. The purpose of this automation is to notify professors who are teaching these UAEP courses of any tasks that they need to accomplish before, during, or after their course has ended. One of the first steps in this automation is to collect the data we need. All the data is stored in a CSV file, which is in a format that we're not able to properly scrape the data. So what we need to do is convert every single CSV file into an Excel file. From there, we can go in and run the functions that we need. The automation then collects any data surrounding UAEP professors and the courses that they teach. Then it looks at the start date and end date of each course. Once the automation determines how many days there are between today and then the start or the end date of the professor's course, then we can send out a corresponding email with the upcoming task that the professor needs to complete. So this email contains the professor's email address, a subject corresponding to how many days till the start or end occurs. Then it also has the course implementation plan, and then just a summary of some of the upcoming tasks. But we want the professor to end up opening up this link that they have been assigned, and this tells them all of the tasks that they end up needing to complete throughout the entirety of the course. The UAEP automation provides many benefits, one of them being that the reporting capabilities for the associate dean are improved and the faculty processing times are now reduced. So this means that the associate dean no longer has to take the time to construct these emails or determine who that these emails are sent to. The automation will automatically populate these emails and send it to the desired people. Also, there will be improved faculty and student compliance due to the standardized process. So no longer are emails being sent at different dates and times. They're going to be strictly set to the dates that the automation is assigned to. And because of this, also more emails are going to be sent, which will increase compliance because the professors are going to be constantly reminded of their upcoming task. We anticipate that between 15 to 20 user hours will be saved per year based on the automation being able to easily complete these meticulous tasks. The application for this automation will allow it to be used for other professor or student information distribution processes. So, for example, let's say we want to modify the automation to send information to UAEP students rather than the professor. It can easily do that. Or if we want to change it to send information to just CBE professors, this can also be modified.